Hello folks. This month we're going to talk about some tools you can use to support your learning about the computer, the internet, and various applications you use. As we learn any new topic, we need the support of various learning tools. These Tech Talk segments are intended to introduce various topics to you to raise your awareness and whet your intellectual appetite. However, to effectively learn a new subject, we often need different resources made available to us. Classroom, books, and websites are examples of resources. An excellent resource for supporting your learning of the computer and the internet itself is something that I'm going to show you today. In this show, I'm going to recommend a website that I think is excellent for supporting your learning of the computer, the internet, and related topics. The website that I recommend people to use is www.gcflearn.org, and we'll display that URL for you. GCF stands for Goodwill Community Foundation. This is a free website that provides lessons for numerous technologies, business, and career-related topics. I'm going to navigate to the website to show you a few examples. Let's go to the website here. Okay, here's the website as it comes up, and you'll notice that it comes up with these tiles. Okay, and if we go down to all topics, which is a good place to start, you'll see the various topics being displayed that are available to you. So here we have computers, email basics, internet basics, and these are fairly general topics, if you will, about technology in general. We have some more here, Android, iPad, iPhone, how to search better, so that would cover things like how to use your search engines, Yahoo or Google, specialized applications like photos and graphics, social media, how to Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, using the cloud, also very relevant to what we're trying to do nowadays. And a great area that they have are various Microsoft applications. Given that Microsoft is really ubiquitous in the computing world, we have here a whole suite, if you will, of the Microsoft applications. And you'll notice here we have the Office applications going back to 2000, 2003, 2007, 2010. So GCF doesn't make any assumptions that you always have the latest tool. They understand that the vast majority of users are running on older versions, and we have offered here is a great collection of these older tools. So to demo this, I'm going to show you, we're going to go into Windows 7. Okay, so I'm going to go here to Windows 7. Show you what this looks like. Okay, so here's the Windows 7 application, and you'll notice that it's nicely divided into three areas, all about, well, several areas, I should say, all about Windows 7, using Windows 7, and then some extra things. And I'm going to start here to go down to Getting Started, okay? Okay, so the Getting Started topic is divided into 9 segments, and you see the segments down here. So we can navigate through these segments using the arrows over here, or the arrows up here, or you can explicitly go to a particular segment. And the first segment gives you a introduction into what the goal is of this. And we're going to go to the second segment here, which is really representative of some of the power of this. I'm using Google Chrome here, just so you know. That's my preferred browser. Okay, Windows 7. So getting started with Windows 7. You'll notice here there's a video, and these videos are excellent. Okay, they go through the functionality that they're trying to cover within each segment in about 3 minutes, has audio piece to it, and they're really excellent. And then there'll be other tools. Now look at this screen here. This is great. So on an introductory course, they're trying to familiarize us with the layout of the screen. And you'll notice each of these buttons here, if you press on each button, it'll tell you what you're looking at. So in this case here, it tells us this is the recycle bin. Okay, we'll click on this button here. This is the desktop. Date and time settings, so on and so forth. So you can you get a nice definition of what each part of the screen is, and all of the tutorials are structured in this way. They're bite-sized pieces of information that you can get through fairly quickly. Okay, now you'll also notice that there's topics, general topics, on just living in the online world and just everyday life. So there are some features in here that are not technology related, and these can be very helpful. If you forgot how to do your fractions, there's a course here on doing fractions and decimals and percents. So this is a very useful website, and what I need to remind you is that this website is absolutely free. In addition to the services, the courses that are offered here, some courses can be signed up to receive CEUs, which are continuing education units or credits. These courses are offered on a first-come, first-served basis and are instructor-led. In addition to the well-organized content, I need to remind you the lessons cost nothing. It is free for you to use. So this is one of the many resources available to you to support your learning. Using this website will help you sharpen your skills and learn new topics. I advise you to try out the website and see what is available and see how you like it.